show you the 2018 Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power heated outside mirrors, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power convenience group, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.